Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen, and today I'm making egg bites. Primarily because Carl and I are taking a road trip, and whenever we take a road trip, we always make enough food so that we don't have to eat junk on the way. And we're driving from North Carolina to Houston for his niece's wedding. So it's going to be a 2-day trip, so I'm going to make egg bites. I have 12 eggs in here, and I have beaten them up. I added a little bit of water. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a teaspoon of black pepper. And I don't measure precisely unless I'm baking, and then I will measure precisely. And I'm going to also add oregano, dried oregano. I could have maybe added rosemary or some rosemary salt that I made. And then I have this beater, these old egg beaters, like your mother used to use. And so I bought this. This is on Amazon, an OXO, and I just love it. So it's going to combine all the spices, beat up the eggs. I will put a link to the Amazon product in the description. These are just regular egg bites. They're made with whole eggs. I haven't figured out yet how to make them with just egg whites and what you'd put in it for PSMF days, protein sparing modified fast, because you don't eat vegetables, you don't eat added carbs. And just shameless plug, this is a book Dr. Carl and I finished in January or December. Precision PSMF Blueprint for Weight Management. It's how I lost 45 pounds and kept it off for 5 years without feeling deprived of anything. And then my cookbook, Precision PSMF Cookbook, with many of my recipes that I use every day to keep me on track. All right. So we have the eggs beaten, and I have sauteed some pancetta. You can use ham, you can use any meat you want. I am not adding any vegetables. You could add onions and peppers. We're pretty much dairy free, so I have no cheese in here. So you just put a teaspoon. Now this is 4 ounces of pancetta. I got it at Trader Joe's. Seems like it's not going to make a whole lot of, it might make 9. So I'll take a little bit out of this. And so we have 9. I had hoped to make 12, but if I make 9, that's good. I usually make a dozen hard-boiled eggs. And then I'm just taking a scoop. Let me see if I can move this in. I have this scoop, which is about 1/4 cup. And I'm going to start off with 1 scoop in each. And I've looked at egg bites to buy. They all have cheese in it, which is fine once in a while, but we try not to eat dairy. So it's like, I think I need to make my own. If you're not dairy free, add some cheese to this if you like. So I think I'll be making some that don't have any pancetta in it. Now I'm going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I will be back, and I'll take them out after a half hour, let them cool for a little bit, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back to test the egg bites. I have 4 egg bites on this dish. They're still a little warm. I have the rest of them cooling on a rack, but I can't wait to try this. This is going to be so good for our road trip. I will also make turkey burgers. That's what we usually have for breakfast. These will be good for breakfast or lunch. So just let me taste this. They're hot, so this will be so nice to have on a road trip rather than having hard-boiled eggs. Sometimes hard-boiled eggs can be a little dry. These are going to be perfect. So, egg bites with pancetta. You can make it with ham, salami, any kind of meat you want. Add veggies if you want, broccoli, whatever. I'd saute them first, make sure they're cooked. Perfect egg bites. Dairy free too.